Hi all, in this video I will show you how to create an N8N automation workflow that generates AI driven images using the Hugging Face API absolutely for free. This workflow will demonstrate the simplicity and power of integrating AI with image generation. You can find links in the description to access all necessary resources for building this workflow. Let us take a quick look at the workflow. This is the Flux image generation workflow. It starts with a manual trigger for executing the workflow, followed by a HTTP request to the Hugging Face model API to generate an image based on a given input prompt. The workflow is very straightforward, but we first need to set up our Hugging Face account so that we can use the API with the Flux model. The high quality AI image generation is completely free of charge. Type in Hugging Face in the Google search bar and select the link that says huggingface.co. Once you are on their website, click on this sign up button, click on this begin button and just verify that you are human. Once you verify, you will see this pop up. You need to sign up with an email address and a password. Follow the prompts and create the account. Here I am logged into my Hugging Face account. You will get free monthly credits to experiment with the inference providers. Here you can see the details of the free credits. As of now, you will get 10 cents, which is enough for personal use. Next, you will need to generate an access token. Hugging Face uses access tokens to authenticate who is sending requests. To create the access token, click on your profile here and select access tokens option here. Then click on this create new token button here. Select the write mode. This will give read and write access to all your org's resources. Then give a name to your token. I'm calling it N8N Flux Demo. Then click on this create token button. It will generate an access token for you. Click on this copy button and store it in safe place, as you will not be able to see it here again. Next, click on this models option here. Hugging Face has thousands of models. Flux is a special text to image model designed to create high quality images from prompts. We are going to use Flux Schnell model. To find more details about that model, type in flux.1-schnell and then select this link here. Here you can see more details about the model. We are going to use this model via the inference API. The inference API lets you use Flux model with N8N using simple HTTPS request node. Keep in mind that flux.1-schnell is a gated model on Hugging Face, meaning you must manually agree to licensing terms. You can click on this gated repositories option to see which gated models you requested access to. Now we will look at the node configuration in N8N for details on how to call the inference API. Here we have the manual trigger node. It doesn't have any specific parameters but serves as a starting point for our workflow. Next we have this HTTP request node. This is crucial for communicating with Hugging Face API to generate the image. Open this node. Here we are using the post method, indicating we are sending data to the API, and here is the URL that you need to use. I will provide this in the description of the video. This is where the image generation happens. This is the model's unique API endpoint. And here in the authentication, we are using generic credential type. This allows the HTTP request to be securely authenticated. And here in the generic auth type, we are using header auth. In the header auth field, click on this drop down box and then click on this create new credential. Here you can change the name of this credential. Here under the name field, type in authorization, and in the value field, type in the word bearer, give a space and then paste here your access token. I just pasted my access token. Then click on this save button. You'll get a message, credential successfully created. The send headers option is turned on to include necessary headers in the request. In the specify headers field, we have mentioned using fields below, and then here we are giving the field name and the value. The header parameter includes two important fields. One is accept with the value set to image/png, indicating the expected response format is an image. Then the second parameter is wait for model set to true ensures that the workflow will wait until the model completes processing before moving on. The send body option is enabled, allowing us to send the necessary input data in the body of the request. Again, in the specify body field, we mentioned using fields below, and in the body parameters, we have specified the field name as inputs, which is set to dog wearing glasses. This is the prompt that will be used by the Hugging Face model to generate the image. Under the options, the response configuration is set so that it expects the response in a file format which is suitable for image data, and then we are saying put the output in a field called data. You can click on this question mark to know more about the specific field. Now that we have walked through the workflow, it is ready for testing. It is also important to keep saving your workflow by clicking the save button here, as it is not automatically saved. If you don't save and you accidentally close the browser, all your work will be lost. Click on the execute workflow button here to test it. You can see the workflow is running, the image is being generated, and you can see the workflow executed successfully. Let us view the output from the image generation. Here we can see the file is generated. Click on this view button. We can see it generated very high quality image as per our prompt here. We said dog wearing glasses, and here we see the dog wearing glasses. Everything worked as expected. If you need help building automated lead generations, setting up cold email machines for your marketing campaigns, please reach out to me. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section if there is any specific topic you want to be covered. Bye until next video.